What's going on, everyone? This is Matt, SqueakyCleanAIR, and today we're going to be bagging Nick Emmons' royalty lightings on Instagram. He does a lot of light retrofits around the GTA Toronto area. Phenomenal, amazing dude. We're going to be continuing, we're going to be bagging his Q60s Infiniti 2023 eyeline. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is a little bit of a different video. We're not going to do a how-to video. I already bagged it. It is bagged on SqueakyCleanAIR digital air suspension setup. The struts are in. These are fully custom air struts that we designed for this car. As you guys can see, this thing's laying frame. And the way it's supposed to be, everything on SqueakyCleanAIR is laying frame. Why? Because we don't rebrand our suspension. Everything that we make is custom, and everything that we make is specific to the vehicles that we have. So we're not a drop ship company where a majority of these companies are. That's why a lot of you guys have a tendency to hit me up when it comes to issues and stuff like that, where you get a kit and it doesn't work and stuff like that. So but anyways, so this thing's on the ground. Couple of things I'm going to mention to you guys about is the rear shocks are actually hidden right underneath the rear bench. So you got to literally remove the whole interior in order to get into the top mounts of the rear struts shocks. So that was a little bit pain in the butt. Running the lines is pretty easy, just like anything else out there. It goes right underneath the car. And the fronts are direct fit for this vehicle. You can run the power line or power wire right through this side where the battery is. There's a grommet there, similar to the Q50. That's a well-known trick for all the guys doing their audio system. Run along this line, and then there's a fuse box there for your ACC. But we're going to be actually focusing on the custom trunk setup today. So I took everything out. I'm going to be measuring everything out, and we're going to be placing the tank, and we're going to be doing a cool setup. So stay tuned. Alright, so the trunk setup is finished. We did some cool kind of hard lines that went along with the theme. We ended up wrapping the actual, well, I ended up wrapping the actual compressors in white to kind of match the setup. It looks nice and clean and professional. So that's pretty much it for the royalty lightings Infiniti Q60. We kind of went with an Eldorado 21-year-old rum, running the digital management, and everything's kind of nice and clean. And I upgraded the LED inside the trunk, so it's nice and bright. And yeah, it looks like everything is proper. So just check for leaks. There's no leaks. I'm going to take it outside tomorrow, and I'm going to do some daytime pictures and videos.